Hey everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna be show you guys how to put your iPhone or any iPhone on the DND mode, do not disturb mode. So yeah guys, let's start today's video. So if you want to put your mobile on silence and do not disturb mode, like you want to be some of my relaxation from mobile, so you can't able to see any message, any notification from your mobile phone. So all you need to do, you need to just open your mobile settings, and after that you can scroll a little bit, and you can find the screen time, and here you can see, sorry, go back and go focus, and here you can first do not disturb mode, and you can simply tap on it and it will be enabled. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and update like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.